doing, YouTube? I hope we're doing good. I know I'm doing pretty damn well today, or pretty well today, because it is currently 60 degrees at the end of December, almost January at this point, and it's just absolutely beautiful out right now. Like, I'm in just a sweatshirt right now, which is nice. Basically right now we're just riding around. I'm headed to the Rocky Steps because potentially, I mean, it's 60 degrees out. I can't imagine that people would not be out right now, to be honest with you. Got a text message from a few other people that'll probably be out, might be meeting there. I want to go to the shipyard too to get some pictures. It'd be nice to get some pictures during the day at the shipyard. Last time I got it was at dusk. Oh, that dude definitely couldn't have made that. Whatever. The main thing that you gotta watch out for in traffic, especially in Philadelphia, and probably in a lot of others as well, is just people lane changing without turning on their signal or anything like that. So it's probably the only thing you gotta watch out for. But ultimately, it's not that bad. Who dat? Who dat? Who dat? They took away the front like barricade area, so I don't even know if I could be there anymore. Oh, there are. Sick. Yo. Oh yeah, I'm actually at the light. I'm pulling up to the front of the art museum right now. Well, there's some bikes already parked up in front of it. Yeah, yeah. No, it's fine. They won't do shit to us. Yeah, I don't even know. I'm trying to look how to get in there. I'm like, I don't even know how to get in. Around where? Oh, I know. I think I know how to get there if I can't get in. Okay. Nah, fuck them. Can't get in there. I can get in here. Haha. There we go. Up in gear. No, it's fine. I just pulled up on the sidewalk as well. We're all just kind of gathered in one little area. Oh, there you are. I'm driving here. Fuck you mean? That's funny. I found this little, yeah, that little spot right there. Speed bump! Speed bump. Oh shit, left. Oh yeah, or Jay. just to give them an inkling that we came. Whoop, my fault. Yeah. Hey! Yeah, I just ignored you because...
Yeah, both of you guys just... I didn't see you fall.
I know. Curve coming up here, so just watch yourself, boys. I think it is retired. I was gonna go this way. Ah! Hi! Alright, I'm making a left here. But no, you can do whatever you need. I'm gonna go this way. I'll catch you guys. Will do. You as well. Yeah, wipe my fucking visor when I get home. 30. So 601 is my ETA home. We'll see. We'll see. Oh no! Oh, okay. I thought dude was getting pulled over for a second. I was like, oh no, it's tripping.